Now, it has become a big controversy. Ally JDU has questioned Assam government's decision. That's the news coming in right now. Let's listen into this reaction.
अगर यह पैमाना को सही माना जाए तो जो हिंदू धर्म की परंपराएं हैं, चाहे वह रामनवमी हो, महाशिवरात्रि हो, क्या उस दिन की छुट्टी भविष्य में असम सरकार खत्म करेगी कि इससे कार्यक्षमता पर असर पड़ता है? तो निश्चित रूप से हम ये समझते हैं कि पूरे देश के लिए चिंता का विषय होना चाहिए.
Let's now go across to my colleague Niyamika now, who's live with us. Niyamika, we have been speaking to various leaders from the opposition specifically who are of the view that this is against what the Prime Minister says, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. But now we have, in fact, JDU ally of the BJP in the NDA, JDU also questioning Assam government's decision.
Well, you are absolutely right, as this is a big development which has taken place, as now it is the JDU which is an ally of the BJP in the NDA government, and that has now questioning the move which is being taken by the Assam Chief Minister in that particular state, as the manner in which the opposition party has been continuously attacking the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma by saying that he is trying to spread the hatred amongst the people, and that's the only reason why the assembly is taking such kind of decisions, as they have mentioned it very clearly that whatever the Chief Minister is saying against the Muslim community in particular, that can also make an impact on the ground, as it can spread hatred amongst the people, and that's the only reason why recently also we have seen that how the Congress party led delegation had also filed a complaint against the Chief Minister of Assam. On the other side, the Congress party has also taken a jibe over the CM Himanta Biswa Sarma by saying that he is basically trying to please the RSS, and that's the only reason why he is giving such kind of derogatory statements or taking such kind of moves which are basically attacking one particular community in the state. However, a big allegation which the Congress party is making right now is that the manner in which he is working there in the state of Assam, that can also lead to riots in the state. So that's a big allegation which the Congress party is making. But the recent development which can be seen here, which is very much interesting as well, is that not just the Congress party, but now it is JDU also who is opposing this decision which is being taken by the Assam Chief Minister recently.
Well, that's right. And we'll see how the BJP will now respond to this, because this time this kind of a comment has come from the ally JDU. Now, Niyamika, also this kind of an announcement has come a day after the State Legislative Assembly passed a bill making it compulsory for Muslims in the state to register with the government for both marriage as well as divorce. And one after the other, the kind of decisions that are being taken. Earlier, there was this statement by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma wherein he says that he's not going to allow Mia Muslim to take over Assam, and then this bill on making marriages and divorce, information about them to be registered compulsory, and now this third decision. So opposition clearly is seeing this as a concerted effort by the BJP, to perhaps sideline a specific community or target a specific community.
And that's the only reason why Congress party and the other opposition parties have also give out this statement, even criticized this move of the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, because they are saying that these moves, these statements which he is making in the recent times, that is basically to attack one particular community, to spread out a message of hatred amongst the people, and that was the only reason why a complaint was also being registered by a delegation which was being led by the Congress party at that point of time, when the Assam Chief Minister had given a statement saying that he won't let Mia Muslim take over the state. And after that, whatever the Chief Minister has done, whether it is about the decision which is related to the registration of marriages in the Muslim community, or today what he has said that the Assembly has passed a bill regarding the giving away the Jummah break, that all the Congress party and the other opposition parties are saying that this is being done to please the RSS and the BJP leadership. However, they are also questioning that what's the official stand of the BJP regarding this matter, because on one side it is the Prime Minister who says that Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas needs to be implemented on the ground. On the other side, it is their own Chief Minister who are making such kind of derogatory remarks against one particular community.
All right. Thank you very much, Niyamika, as well as Anamika, for joining us with those inputs.